Hello my dear friends, I am Kajal Nagrade and you are welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Kajal. Today we are going to solve the questions and answers of 1.3 on Wings of Courage. We are going to solve English workshop, then warming up and the questions which are given in the margin. So let's start with the first question. Your first question is the ranks of officer in Indian Army, Navy and Air Forces are jumbled up. Discuss with your group and put them in appropriate boxes. See, the names of some higher ranks are given here of the Army, Navy and Air Force. So what we have to do, we have to classify them into Army, Navy and Air Force. So in the post which belongs from the Army, that are Brigadier, Major, Colonel, Field Marshal, Lieutenant General. Then post from the Navy, that are the Commander, Vice Admiral of Fleet, then Commodore and then Real Admiral. And posts which are from the Air Force, that are Wing Commander, Squadron Leader, Air Marshal, Flying Officer and Air Commodore. So next question is of the homophones and homograms. So words are given here which are having the same pronunciation but the different meaning and different spelling. So what we have to do, we have to make some sentences. So your first word is the where. So first word is the where and its spelling is WEAR and second one is the WARE. Both are having same pronunciation. So the meaning the sentence of the where is the little girl wanted to wear a pink frilly dress, and second where the silverware kept on the king's table was exquisite. सो वेयर जो पहला है तो उसका मीनिंग होता है कुछ पहनना, एंड सेकेंड वेयर का मीनिंग है जो डिशेज वगैरह होती है दैट फूड. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हेयर. पहला जो है हेयर तो उसका मतलब है पास में, इट्स मीन्स और सेंटेंस इज यू मस्ट सिट हियर सेड द मैन टू हिज गेस्ट. एंड सेकेंड हियर इज द चिल्ड्रन कुड हियर द साउंड ऑफ द प्लेन्स क्वाइट क्लियरली. तो दूसरे जो हियर है उसका मतलब है सुनना. और थर्ड वर्ड इज देयर. जो पहला है देयर उसका सेंटेंस आई केप्ट माई बैग देयर सेड द वुमेन टू द पुलिस मैन. इसका मतलब इट इज़ फॉर द प्लेस एंड सेकेंड वर्ड फॉर द पर्सन दैट द गर्ल्स पिक अप देयर बैग्स एंड वेंट होम. और नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सेल. So CELL cell. Our sentence is the prisoner sat in the dark cell without talking. The meaning of cell is means prison or we can say jail. And next one is kuch bechna. The hawker wanted to sell all his wares before evening. Our next question is write what the underlined homographs in the following sentence means. Some homographs are also given here in these sentences. We have to write down the meaning of them. Our first sentence is a bear is an omnivorous animal. So the meaning of this is a large or heavy animal. Second sentence, she could not bear the injustice. The meaning of this bear is to tolerate. Our next sentence is of bat. A bat is the only bird which is a mammal. So in this sentence, bat a mammal that flies. And in second sentence is bat broke as it struck the ball. In this sentence, bat means a wooden implement used for the hitting the ball in many games. Our next word is a fine. First sentence is he had to pay a fine for breaking the traffic signal. The meaning of fine is penalty. And second sentence of the fine is use of fine cloth for baby's clothes. So the meaning of this delicate or soft. Our last sentence is of the fair word, FAIR, fair. Our sentence is we enjoy a lot at the temple fair. The meaning of fair is a gathering of stalls and amusements for public entertainment. And in next sentence, the meaning of fair, she has a fair complexion means we can say light or not dark. It is given here for the color. Our next sentence is read the text and fill in the flow chart of promotions received by Ajahn Singh. We have to write down the promotions which we learn in the lesson. His first promotion that is of the flying officer, then next squadron leader, then wing commander. I have given in the sequential order, chronological order में यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है. Then group captain, then air commodore, then air officer commanding, then vice marshal air vice marshal, air officer commanding in chief, then deputy chief in air staff, then vice chief of air staff, then chief of air staff and air chief marshal. Next question, with the help of facts given in the text, prepare a fact file of Air Marshal Arjan Singh. Fact file हमें बनाना है. Some points are given here. With the help of these with the help of these points, we have to prepare a fact file. So this is your answer. You can take the screenshot of it. All points I have covered here, including date of birth, place of birth, that is Layalpur, then education, including till the retirement. You can take the screenshot of it. Your next question is, fill in the wave diagram. The wave diagram is given here. We have to write down the qualities of Arjan Singh in the diagram. So one quality is given here, that is the brave. Second, I have written here, that is leadership. Third one is the unexcitable. Fourth one is the fearless, and fifth, that is the skillful. Our next question, say what actions preceded the following promotions of Arjan Singh in his career in the IAF. So our first pose is, selected for Empire Pilot Training Course at RAF. Your answer is, he completed his education at Montgomery. Second one is, promoted to squadron leader. Your answer is, he flew against the tribal forces and moved back to number 1 squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. Your third promotion is, leader of a flypast of over 100 aircraft at Red Fort, Delhi. Your answer is, Arjan Singh successfully led the squadron in combat and was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross. Your next promotion is, awarded Padma Vibhushan. He was awarded the Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership for the Air Force and for inspiring the IAF to victory in the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Next promotion is, first Air Chief Marshal of Indian Air Force. Your answer is, he was a source of inspiration to all the personnel of the armed forces through the years. You can take the screenshot of this also. Next question, replace the underlined words or phrases with the appropriate one to retain the proper meaning. Some sentences are given here, and in each and every sentence some words are having the underline. So what we have to do, we have to replace that words which are having the underline with the words or phrases. Our first sentence is, he contributed notably in bringing up the school. So you answer, he played a major role in bringing up the school. In the place of contributed notably, I have written here, played a major role. Next sentence is, our school cricket team got ready for the final match against PQR High School. So in the place of got ready, our school cricket team geared up for the final match against PQR High School. I have written here, geared up. Next sentence, after a short period of working as a lecturer, Ravi took up an important post in a multinational company. Your answer, after a brief stint as a lecturer, Ravi took up an important post in the multinational company. In the place of a short period of working, I have written here, a brief stint. Our class monitor is a perfect symbol of duty and discipline. Our class monitor is the epitome of the duty and discipline. Perfect symbol, in the place of perfect symbol, we have written here, epitome. Next sentence, accepting the great value of his research, they awarded him with a PhD degree. So answer is, in recognition of his research, they have awarded him with a PhD degree. In the place of accepting the great value, I have written here, in recognition of. Next and last sentence, after the murder of King Duncan, Macbeth took over a control of Scotland. After the murder of Duncan, Macbeth took over the reins of the Scotland. So in the place of took over the control, I have written here, took over the reins. Next sentence, build the word wall with the words related to military. We have to write down some words which are related to military. So the words are soldier, guns, tanks, army, commands, ranks, war, ammunition, aircraft, pilots, captains and submarines. Your next question is, state the different meanings of the following pairs of homographs and make sentences of your own with each of them. Some words are given here. What we have to do, we have to write down their meanings and the sentences including that words. So first word is LED, led. Its meaning is, this is the past participle of the led, and its meaning is to guide or conduct, and our sentence is, the captain led his team to safety. Second word, that is the LEAD, that its meaning is graphic used as a part of pencil. So sentence is, the do you have a lead pencil. Next word, that is of role, ROLE, role. The sentence, the meaning of this word is a part in a play or film, etc. And the sentence is, Maria got the leading role in the new movie. And next word, that is the ROLL, role. And meaning of this is, move in a particular direction by turning over and over. Sentence is, the boy wanted to roll in the mud while playing. Next word is air, that is the meaning of the invisible gaseous substance surrounding the air. Sentence is, there is a lot of humidity in the air during the monsoon. Next word, that is air, that its meaning is successor or inheritor. And sentence is the family did not know who the heir to the property was. Next word, that is the feat, FEAT, meaning is a great achievement, and sentence is climbing Mount Everest is a feat. Next word, that is FEET, its meaning is a unit of measurement, and your sentence is the girl saw to her shock that the lion was only a few feet away. And last word, that is the reign, meaning of first reign, that is rule as a king or queen. Your sentence is Queen Elizabeth's reign has been a long one. Next, REIN, reign, its meaning is a restraining influence. The sentence is the new manager kept a tight rein on her employees. And last word is the rain, that is a meaning water that falls in drops from clouds in the sky. And in the sentence, children love to play in the rain. Next question, the following homographs have the same spelling and pronunciation but can have different meanings. Make sentences of your own to show the difference. Some words are given here which are having the same spelling and some pronunciation but they are different in the meaning. So we have to prepare some sentences. Firm, I have written here two sentences of firm which are having the different meanings in the two sentences. First sentence, many people feel that they must be firm with their children when they are growing. Second sentence, my neighbor recently joined at electronics firm as sales executive. Next word is train, two sentences. In first sentence, you must always train your pets to obey you. Second sentence, the train left the platform 2 at 7 p.m. sharp. Sorry, it is by mistake I have written here 2. Then third sentence is of type. First sentence is cows eat only a particular type of grass. Second sentence, the man asked his secretary to type the letter immediately. Second, next word is the current. It is a difficult task to row against the current in a river. Next sentence, the minister was distributed when he read about the current situation of unrest in the country. And last word is of the post. First sentence is my aunt quit her job because she felt that the post was not suitable for her. And the next word sentence is of post, that is the little boy ran to the post office to post the letter of Santa Claus. You can take the screenshot of this also. Next sentence, glance through the text and prepare notes from the information that you get. Take only relevant points. Don't use sentences. Arrange the points in the same order. You may use symbol short forms. Present the points sequentially. Use highlight techniques. See what we have to do. We have to read the lesson and we have to write down the information in the point format. So after reading the lesson, we can write this. You can take the screenshot of this also, and remaining answer is on this page. You can take the screenshot of this also. I have written everything, achievements, awards after retirement and everything. Take the screenshot of this. It will be more easy for you to write down or to learn. Next sentence, develop a story suitable to the conclusion end given below. See, conclusion or end it is given here. We have to develop a suitable story. Okay. So this is the story with its title, A Wonderful Act of Bravery. Take the screenshot of this so it will be more easy to the write or to understand, also to read also. This is very large story, so I have not read here, so you can take the screenshot of this also. Next we are going to start the margin questions. First question, why is Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh considered an outstanding military personality? Your answer is Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh successfully led the IAF during 1965 Indo-Pak War. He played the major role in making IAF one of the most powerful air forces in the world. He was not only fearless and exceptional pilot, but he also had a deep knowledge of air power, which he applied where necessary. He was a perfect example of military leadership. It is not this reason that he is considered an outstanding military personality. Next question, what personality traits of Arjun Singh are mentioned here? That are, he was fearless, he was knowledgeable, he applied his knowledge to a wide spectrum of areas, he was an exceptional pilot, he was not very talkative, he had leadership qualities. You can take the screenshot of these two questions also. Next question, explain what enabled Arjun Singh to win the DFC award. Answer is in 1944 Ajay Singh led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arkhan campaign. He flew close air support mission during the crucial Imphal campaign. He then assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Rangoon. In recognition of his feat, Ajay Singh was given the DFC award. Next question, at what age did Ajay Singh become a squadron leader? So answer is the Ajay Singh become a squadron leader at the age of 45. Next question is, for how long did Ajay Singh hold the post of AOC? Answer is Ajay Singh held the post of AOC for 9 years. Next question is, describe the official task that Singh faced when he took over as Air Marshal. Answer is, when Ajay Singh took over as Air Marshal, he also took control of IAF, which was still rebuilding itself and gearing up to meet new challenges. This was an uphill task. And last question, that is, what other important positions did Ajay Singh hold after his retirement? There are two posts he held after his retirement, that are the Ambassador to Switzerland and Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. So with this we have completed all the question and answers, including workshop, warming up and margin questions. If you are new to this YouTube channel, do like, share and subscribe. Please आपके friends के साथ भी share कीजिए. And in description box I have given you the link for all the videos of class 10. We will meet in the next video with next lesson. Thank you.